Alright, for some time now I have not been posting videos, like I think like a week or so. I've been kind of busy, work and stuff. Alright, but I'm back to making videos every morning, and let's get the party going. Alright, we dropped it over at permutation and combination, and we're picking it right up from there again. Alright, we have two questions here. The first one says, in how many ways can 8 cars be parked in 8 parking slots in a row such that there are exactly 4 cars between 2 specific cars? Okay, so we have these 2 specific cars, and there must be 4 cars in between them. So let's see how we can do that. I'm going to be using boxes as usual, so I'm going to be having like 8 boxes. How many now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's assume we're putting these 2 cars here, so we're going to have 4 cars in between. So the next one is going to be here. We could have another arrangement: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Let's say I'm putting the 2 specific cars there. That means it's going to be like this. Other cars can be here. Now we could also have one more arrangement: 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this arrangement I'll be putting it here. Let's see if we could get 4 more. All right, so these are like the ways you can arrange these cars to have 4 cars in between them. Alright, so let's look at what we have here. Now you can see I have 3 is this rows or columns? I don't know, but there are 3 of them, so we have 3 times. Now we're looking at 2 cars taking 2 positions. That will be 2. And the other cars, they are going to take, how many spaces do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6 ways, which will be 6 factorials of arranging the other 6 cars. Alright, so these are the possible answers. So here 3 times 2, that will be 6 times 6 factorial, and I think that's option 1. Alright, let's look at the second question. It says, in how many ways can the letters of the word investor be arranged such that no 2 vowels are together? So now we are arranging this word investor. So let's bring out the word investor. So we have investor. So first off, we're going to bring out the vowels and the consonants. So when you look at the word investor, you'll see that the vowels there are we have I, we have O, we have E. So vowels, they're going to be I, E, and O. So the consonants, they're going to be N, V, S, T, R. So when you look at this, they said no 2 vowels will be together, so there must be a consonant between the vowels. So let's look at how to do this. Now if we put 1 vowel here, that means there will be a consonant here. Vowel, that means there will be a consonant. Vowel, that means there will be a consonant. And if we have vowel here, that means there will be a consonant. How many do I have? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. We'll put another consonant here. That means there will be a vowel here. 1 2 3 4 5. So I have my 5 consonants. These are consonant, 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 consonants. So we have 5 for the consonants, we have 5 factorials. Now for the vowels, we have there's going to be a kind of combination here. Now we have 6 slots: 1 2 3 4 5 6 slots to arrange 3 vowels. And now we also have the ways of arranging these vowels. You can see there are 3, so that will leave us with 3 factorials. So let's resolve this. Now we're going to be having, we have 5 factorials times 6 combination 3, that's going to be 6 factorial over 6 minus 3, that's 3 factorial times 3 factorial here. So when we resolve this, we're going to get I think 5 factorial, that's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that will give us 120. 6 factorial, that will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial all over 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Now 3 factorial can cancel 1, we still have 3 factorial here, so this can also cancel these 3 factorial. So at the end of the day, we're going to have 120 times 6 times 5 times 4, and when you multiply this, I think you'll be getting 6 times 5, that's 30 times 4, that will be 120. So we're going to be having 120 times 120, and when you multiply, you're going to be getting 14400, that's 14,400, and I think that's option 4. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.